today is to look at this WAEC past question, mathematics WAEC past question. But today we're looking at an objective question. They gave us this diagram, and they said it's objective number 10, 2010 WAEC. They said we should look at this. You can see this diagram. They say here is 4m minus 15. This side is m plus 75. This is the question. What is the value of m in the diagram? Of course, in an objective question, we have 20 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 50 degrees. So what we will be doing is to solve this and see if the option, the answer is here, and which of them is correct. Solution. The first thing you must know is that here is equal to here. Two of them are opposite. Because two of them are opposite, whatever you have here is what you have here. Whatever you have on top is what you have on down. For instance, if you have a diagram like this is angle 360. It means that if here is 10, here should also be 10. If here is 170, here should also be 170. So in a diagram that is opposite, in a diagram like this, whatever is here is equal to whatever is here. Whatever is here is equal to whatever is here. That is the first solution. That is to say, 4m minus 15 is equal to m plus 75. Remember what I said? Whatever is here equals whatever is here. The value that is in this side must equal the value that is here. The angle here equals the angle here. The angle here equals the angle here. Therefore, 4m minus 15 equals m plus 75. So I just said 4m minus 15 equals m plus 75. What do? Collect your like terms. M will come over. 4m. M is very positive, so when it crosses equality, it will change to minus. Minus m equals to 15 has minus. When it crosses equality, it becomes plus 15. So we now have 75 plus 15. 4m minus m will give you 3m equals to 75 plus 15 will give you 90. 75 plus 15 is 90. Right? Now, what do? To find our m, if 3m is 90, what will 1m be? Let us divide by 3. Let us divide by 3. 3 into this, 3 into this. M is not alone. 3 divided 3, 1. 3 into 90 will give you 30. Therefore, we will have m equals to what? 30 degrees. Let us verify and see if we are correct. Let us put m here and put m here and see if we get the right answer. If we come here and put m, we have 30 plus 75 should give us 105. So let us solve the same thing here and see if we get 105. If we don't get 105, that means we are wrong. But if we get 105, we are correct. So we now have 4m is what? 30 minus 15. M times 30 degrees will give us 120. 120 minus 15 will give us 105. You can see that whatever you get here is 105. Whatever you get here is 105. Therefore, our answer is B, 30 degrees. What we want to look at is this WAEC question, mathematics question, 2007. It's a theory question. They gave us this diagram, straight line. In the diagram, AOB is a straight line. You can see it's a straight line. X plus y degrees. Angle COB is equal to 45 degrees. Angle AOB is 5x plus y degrees. Then angle DOB is equal to y. Find the value of x. How do we find the value of x and y? What do we do? Solution. The first thing we must realize is that we are dealing with angle on a straight line. This angle on 360, angle at a circle, midpoint. But then, here, the upper part, here plus here will give us 180 degrees. Here plus here will give us 180 degrees. So it means we have 3x plus y plus 45 degrees. 45 will give us 180. That is the same way of saying that the down part, here, angle here, and angle here, will give us also 180 degrees. So that when you now add all of them, you get 360. It means that 5x plus y plus this y will give us 180 degrees. Let us break these equations, the brackets. So we now have 3x plus 3y plus 45 equals to 180 degrees. Here we will have 5x plus y plus y, 2y equals to 180 degrees. The question now is, we are asked to find the value of x and y. Let us call this, okay, but we will not stop here. In this equation, we can still go further and say, in this one, we can still say something like 3x plus 3y equals to 180 minus 45. Because 45 across the equality sign and meet 180. So we will now have 3x plus 3y equals to 180 minus 35 will give us 135. So we have 3x plus 3y will give us 135. Here we have, what of, if we want to have only x, we can come here and say, divide everything by 3. Divided by 3, divided by 3. 3 will go, 3 will go, 3 will go. 135 divided by 3 should give us 135 divided by 3 will give us 45. So we now have, in the upper part, we are breaking it down to x plus y equals to 45. So we can now come and say, in the upper part, we are breaking it down to x plus y equals to 45. In the lower part, we have 5x plus 2y equals to 180 degrees. So we can call this something like equation 1. We can call this something like equation 2. What do we do? Let us use substitution method. We can also say that in equation 1 we have x plus y equals to 45. We can also say that here we will have x will be equals to 45 minus y. X will be equal to 45 minus y. So we can now substitute the value, this value, in equation 2. So we can now come and say, equation 2, we have 5x plus 2y equals to 180. But we have changed in equation 1 to get x equals to 45 minus y. So anywhere we see x, we call it 45 minus y. So we have 5 45 minus y plus 2y equals to 180 degrees. So let us open this bracket. 5 times 45 will give us, 5 times 45 will give you 225 minus 5 times 5y will give us 5y plus 2y equals to 180 degrees. What do? We now have 225 minus 5y plus 5y will leave us with minus 3y equals to 180 degrees. I hope you are following. By the way, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, this is the right time to do it. Kindly click on subscribe now. You will see a little bell. Also click on it so that you will get further notifications. If you have been learning, click on the like button so that other people will be made to see this video. Now, back to the tutorial. We have 225 minus 3y equals to 180 degrees. What do we now do? Collect like terms. Minus 3y equals to 180 minus 225. Of course, you know this will cross a positive sign. Once it crosses a positive sign, it becomes minus. That's why it's coming minus. Now, we now have minus 3y equals 180 minus will give us minus 45. Divide both sides by 3. We now have minus y equals to 15, minus 15. Minus cancel minus. Y is equals to 15 degrees. We have gotten our y to be equals to 15. In our equation 1, we got that x plus y equals to 45. So, our y, we have gotten our y to be 15. So, we now have x plus y is 15. 15 equals to 45 degrees. What do we now do? Collect like terms. X will be equals to 45 minus 15. 45 minus 15 will give us what? X will now be 30 degrees. So after solving, we got our y, we got our x to be what? 30 degrees. And we got our y to be what? 15 degrees. But we will not stop. We are going to cross-check it into this and see if we are correct. If we are able to cross-check and get 360 degrees as everything, then we know that our answer is very, very correct. So we have 3 brackets 30 plus y is 15 plus 45 plus y is 15 plus 5x. What's our x? 30 plus y is 15. What do we get? 3 times 30 should be what? 3 times 30 should give us 90 plus 3 times 15 should give us 45 plus 45 plus 15 plus 5 times 30 should give us 150 plus 150 plus 15. If we add everything and we get 360 degrees, then we are correct. 90 plus 45 plus 45 plus 15 plus 150 plus 15. We got 360 degrees. Then we are correct. This is the way to cross-check after solving to know if you are correct. I'm sure you might not have gotten it accurately. What you will do is play this video over and over again. Play it slowly to be able to get exactly how we solve it. If you have a question, feel free to ask me. Go to the comment section right now and ask your question. You can also send us an email. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time to subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. Invite your friends, your classmates, your children, your sisters, your brothers to also watch. In our channel we have a lot of videos on English language, mathematics, chemistry, physics, and other subjects. Subscribe right now. Ask me your questions in the comment section. See you in the next tutorial.